Welcome to Perpetual Buy and Sell, where homeowners find real solutions, even when their property feels like a problem. Most homeowners don't plan for this. Life happens, and suddenly, the house you worked hard for becomes a financial burden instead of a blessing. And if you've reached out to agents, you've probably heard the same thing. Fix the home first, then we can list it. But what if repairing it isn't an option? The good news is, you don't need to repair your home to sell it. You don't need to list it. You don't need to wait. You need a solution that respects your situation, not one that adds pressure to it. At Perpetual Buy and Sell, we specialize in helping homeowners get out of properties that need repairs, quickly, respectfully, and without hidden fees. Instead of demanding repairs, we evaluate the home as is. Instead of delays, we create fast, flexible solutions. Instead of judgment, we offer understanding and expertise. If you want a clean break and fast resolution, an as-is cash sale may be the best option. This means no repairs, no showings, no fees or commissions, no inspections that kill the deal, no waiting months. It's quick, simple, and transparent. But sometimes, selling for cash isn't the most profitable move. In those cases, we structure creative options like seller financing or other hybrid solutions. These strategies can help you avoid foreclosure, move without losing money, sell even with low equity, receive monthly income. Keep control of your timeline. Let me share an example. A homeowner had a property with roof damage, foundation cracks, and outdated plumbing. An agent told him to invest $38,000 in repairs before even listing. He didn't have it. Through our as-is program, we closed in 14 days, paid all closing costs, and gave him a clean exit. No repairs, no stress, no delays. To see if we can help, here's what we look for. Property needs repairs. Owner wants to sell as is, prefers a fast, respectful solution, open to cash or creative options. If that sounds like you, you're in the right place. This works because it removes the burdens, the uncertainty, and the pressure. You don't have to fix anything. You don't have to deal with agents. You don't have to gamble on the market. You get clarity, speed, and peace of mind. If your home needs repairs, if you're overwhelmed, or if you just want a clean exit, we're here to help. Schedule your consultation today and see what solution we can create for you. Visit the link in the description. Perpetual Buy and Sell. Sell your home without the stress,